Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're on question 1.1 from the 2018 Maths Lit Paper 2, the grade 11 paper. And this question deals with financial maths, in particular calculating the total price of laundry. So this question says that Mrs. Day has a laundry business in town and charges 16 Rand per kilo for washing and drying, 3 Rand for Stay Soft per 5 kilograms, 25 Rand per kilo for a hand wash with Stay Soft, and 20 Rand per 5 kilos for ironing. So they've given us the price list, and then they ask us how much will a person with 18 kilograms of washing pay for washing and drying, which is this first part, with the use of Stay Soft, which they've given us the price over there, and ironing, which is over there. So we start off by calculating how much the washing and drying will be. So as I stated, washing plus the drying is going to be 16 Rand per kilo. They've stated it over here. So it will be 16 Rand multiplied by the 18 kilos that they've stated needs to be washed. So 16 times 18, put that in your calculator and you get that will come to a total of 288 Rand. Then we need to calculate how much the Stay Soft will be. So as I said, Stay Soft is 3 Rand per 5 kilos. But now we have 18 kilos. So in order to find out how much 18 kilos would be, first we need to find out what the price per kilo is. So price per kilo will equal the 3 Rand divided by the 5 kilograms, and this will give us our price per kilo. So this will equal 3 over 5, and we can keep it like that. So then, therefore, our price for the 18 kilos will equal 18 kilograms multiplied by the price per kilogram, which is 3 over 5. If you put this into your calculator, you get that it comes to 10 Rand and 80 cents. Okay, so it's your price per kilogram, which we calculated here, times by the number of kilograms we have, which gives us this total. Then moving on finally to calculating the ironing, and this is a similar process. So we first need to find out what the price per kilogram is, and this is going to equal, they said it's 20 Rand per 5, so it's going to be 20 divided by 5, which we can just leave like that, or it comes to, if you put in your calculator, 4. So 4 Rand per kilogram. Okay, so now we say therefore the price will equal the 18 kilograms multiplied by this price per kilogram, so it's 4 Rand per kilogram, and this comes to a total of 72 Rand. So in your calculators, it's 18 times by 4. So then therefore we can give the total, so your total price is what they were looking for, and you have to add all these three prices that we've just calculated. So it's going to be your 288 Rand plus your 10 Rand and 80 cents plus your 72 Rand, and put these three into your calculator, and it comes to a grand total of 370 Rand and 80 cents. And that's your final answer. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.